Good evening everyone, we are from group 2. Today we are going to present about the phoneme, the same but different. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilo Sentami. My student ID number is 2135. Here I am as a first speaker from the presentation, and now I will explain about variation and when to ignore it. Recognizing that two objects or concepts are the same but different to present a major philosophical problem, the phrase and itself seem self-contradictory. For example, a 2-year-old can grab the fact that his right toe and left toe are very similar but actually belong on different feet. And as adults, we have no difficulty in recognizing that lemons and lime are different but both is citrus of fruit, and that a misery and happiness are different but both is emotion. This sort of hierarchical classification is exactly what is at issue when we turn to the notion of the phoneme. Variation and characteristic of language. There is more than one way of saying the same thing. Speaker may vary pronunciation or accent, word choice or lexical, or morphology and syntax, sometimes we call grammar. Humans excel at ignoring perceptible differences are not relevant for particular purpose. To illustrate this, take a piece of paper and write your normal signature at 6 times. There will certainly be a minor difference between them, but you will still easily to recognize all those 6 signatures. With the minor modification only deceptible and uncharacteristical close scrutiny. Okay, and next is a minimal pairs. A minimal pairs is a two word with the same number or sound segment and which differ in segment only and which have a different meaning. For example, bean, mean, mad, tad, love, and cat. Okay, and next is a variation in written language. Since we are more used to thinking exactly about written language than about our speech, one way of approaching this issue of abstraction is through our concussion knowledge of the rules of writing. When children learn to write, they have to master the convention governing the use of capital and lowercase. You can see as at the PPT that I provide. The use of lowercase and a set of capital letters is, for example, at the when the children write the name of people. For example, Adila. They should to use A for the first word. For the first word name of people, you should to use capital letter. Okay. Next is alphoneme. Two sounds occur in the same phrasement and replacing one with the other does not change the meaning. For example, atom, autonomic, addict, addictive. Okay, learning that proper names and sentences begin with capital is appropriate for a children writing modern English, but not for children learning a German who will need to learn instead that all nouns, not just Adila, always begin with a capital letter, as well as all sentences. A similar strong distinction is observable in early stages of English too, and although literally a style is not absolutely consistent, in this respect there are many more capitals the work a poet like John Milton for instance that in a written English. Okay, that is all from me, and the next presentation will be continued by Laras.